Mr. President, once again, I want to thank you and the people of Kazakhstan for the warm welcome and hospitality in this beautiful city of Astana. The President and I had very productive discussions. Our two countries are good friends and partners, and we want to build on this strong foundation to further deepen our partnership. As you have witnessed with the signing of the agreements, we intend to explore more opportunities for collaboration, whether in the fields of trade, technology, or agriculture. Our two countries are eager to learn from each other. We welcome the General Cooperation Agreement on critical minerals between the Rwanda Mining Board and Kassym-Jomart. Rwanda can benefit immensely from Kazakhstan's know-how, especially in the field of energy, mining, and mineral processing. In Rwanda, we are investing in our local manufacturing capacity, notably in vaccines, which Kazakhstan has also been doing. We look forward to building on this shared experience to continue innovating for the mutual benefit of our people. Mr. President, it will not take very long, but once again, I want to appreciate your invitation, your hand of cooperation, and I'm glad I will be able to attend the Astana International Forum. At a time when our international systems are becoming more fragmented, we must resist the temptation to grow even further apart and instead come together to find common ground. I'm confident the forum will give us the platform to do just that. Once again, Mr. President, it is a pleasure to be here, and we hope to welcome you one day in Rwanda very soon. Thank you. You're most welcome. Thank you for your kind attention.